What's poppin' YouTube? Doing another unboxing for you. As you see right here, I have the Sony Tablet S Cradle and the Sony Tablet USB adapter. I'll be doing a quick unboxing of this for you and basically showing you around the Cradle and what it does for the Sony Tablet S. As you can see right here around the box, it's all in different languages, but as you can see right here, the device placed on the Cradle can be charged using an AC adapter supplied with the Sony Tablet S. By placing the device on the Cradle, you will be able to use the device as a photo frame or a desk clock. So basically, right here, this is basically what you can do. I'll be setting it up on my desk. Basically, nothing around the box. Pretty nice artwork from Sony. Right here is the USB charging cord. Basically what this is, you can use this to plug in your camera or a storage device or anything like that. You can even use this for the PlayStation 3 controller. So whenever you're playing the games on your Sony tablet, you can use it like that. But I'm going to be showing you this first. This cord right here, it'll run you about 10 to 15 bucks depending on where you picked it up. I picked it up on Amazon for about 13 bucks. So basically what you do is you plug this into your tablet and you plug in a USB device, like maybe a keyboard or anything like that. I do have the Sony tablet right here. I'll be showing you that. So I guess basically what you do is you open it up right here, as so. You plug it in, you plug into your USB device, and you're good to go. Alright, up next, the Sony Cradle. This Cradle will cost you anywhere around 30 bucks. I picked it up on Amazon for 29. Let's get this. Let's see what we have in the box. We have the Cradle right here. So basically, you do need your AC adapter that came with your Sony tablet for this to work, or you can just set your tablet in. But to use it correctly, basically what you want to do is just plug your AC adapter in here. Whoop. I'm not sure the way this goes. Plug it in like so. You put the Sony tablet up on top. Turn it on. Like it says, what you can do right here, some of the actions you can do is, it says nothing, Chumpy for the Sony Tablet S, the desk clock, or gallery. I'm going to show you the desktop, desk clock. Basically, that's basically what you use it for. If you have an office or home office, you could basically do it like that, or if you have it connect up to your TV, your Blu-ray player, your cable box like that, you could have it set up for your remote and sit on your dining room table or anything like that. But let me show you what else is in the box. Basically just warranty papers, other things like that. Telling you how to use your cradle. Nothing too special. But basically, I'm gonna get back to the cradle. Basically, you can use it. You can use a default action by hitting the check mark right here, or you could do a photo gallery. You do anything with this, but yeah, basically this is it. This is the Sony Cradle. I'll be doing an unboxing of a Sony case that I've also picked up from Amazon. But yeah, I appreciate you watching this video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.